Software is not like engineering something simple, like creating a multi-story building where you start with a blueprint, build it, and forget about it. Software is dynamic, evolving every day with new technology. Developers build apps on top of these technologies, but nobody fully understands every layer, and that's okay. The main goal is that our code fulfills the product requirements. But no one can build an app 100% accurate. To solve this, test-driven development helps reduce defects and improve maintainability, though it does require effort. One option is manual testing, where humans click every button, check functionality, and log Jira tickets. But that's not efficient for large-scale applications. A better approach is automated testing tools, which let developers write code specifically to test the application. You'll often find files that start or end with the word test. Inside them are test suites, containing one or more individual tests. Each test usually starts with test, followed by a description of what's being tested. The idea is simple. Describe the behavior in human-readable terms. The test runs the code, and assertions check the result. If it matches expectations, it passes. Otherwise, it fails. Test runners like PyTest or JUnit can execute all tests automatically in the background or on a CI server before deployment. Now, let's break down the main categories of testing. Unit testing checks individual functions. Integration testing checks how modules work together. End-to-end testing simulates real user behavior in a browser, like a robot doing manual testing for you. And beyond that, we also have performance and smoke testing, which I'll explain in my upcoming video. Hit the right button if you want to see more short videos like this. And thanks for watching.